Hello guys, welcome to FimsTalks. Today in this section I'm going to show you how to set your own personalized ringtone in your iPhone. This will work with your iPhone and iPad. Before that, please do subscribe to my channel for the latest videos and do not forget to press the bell icon. For this setup, we need three things: your iPhone or iPad, of course, then a lightning USB cable and a PC which has iTunes installed on it. Initially, I am showing you the ringtone settings of my iPad, in which you can see only the default ringtones. Now I am connecting my iPhone with the PC over the cable. If the connection is succeeded, you will see the iPhone summary on your left side of the iTunes as it shows here. Under the library, select the songs and drag the audio file from the location where you have saved in your PC, which you need to set your ringtone. Before that, make sure that the file duration is not more than 30 seconds. Since iPhone supports or play only 30-second file, you will see the file in the song section once it's added. Select the audio file. Go to File, Convert and create AAC file. After a while, you will see the replica of your file in the song section. You need to delete the source file. Make sure you're deleting the source file itself. For that, right-click on the source file, go to the Song Info, then File tab. You will see the kind of file is MPEG if it is MP3, and delete it from the library. Now we will go to the Songs Info of the newly created file. Go again to the File tab and copy the location of the file because we have to do some operations behind the iTunes. Now let's go to the copied location where you will see the audio file with .m4a extension. Rename the extension to M4R since it is iPhone ringtone extension. Let's go back to iTunes after renaming the file. Select the tones under the iPhone on the left side of your iTunes window. Drag and drop the new M4R file in this location. You will see it here once the transfer is completed. At the same time, your phone will sync with the new change. The action is completed now. Let's go back to the phone. Now let's go back to your ringtone settings in your iPhone or iPad. Here you can see the newly added file under the ringtone settings. Select the file and enjoy your ringtone. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful try.